To the Michigan Runner Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
Are we ready to go for the 1 mile? Hey! Reno. I will. Keep it up now.
Runners, on your mark, go!
Pace yourself, Steve. Pace yourself.
If you are in the 5K or 10K, that'll be our next start. That is slated to go off at 10:15. The next event to start at 10:15 is the 10K.
Comes 1 mile.
We're almost like halfway done, okay? Woo! Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Good job, good job.
Morning.
This way. Don't look back. Never look back in the run. Tell Tony, you can't start here. We'll have the winner of the 1 mile yet. We'll go and tell them that the people started right now. Gotta wait. Gotta keep them staggered. We're going to start anyway. I told them, watch, don't walk in front of the camera. Don't walk in front of the video camera. You're drifting. We're going to start 10K anyway on time. They're going to start the 10K, they're going to run over. I gotta go. Hold on, there's traffic here, there's traffic. There's cars. Hey!
I never realized you had a camera.
You have a number.
We're getting ready for 1 mile results.
Okay, with for the awards this year, we're doing things a little bit different. We will announce the winners in each age category, first place for each age category. Please check out the results which are posted outside. They're also scrolling on the TV screens. If you came in second and third, you can pick up your award on the north end of the gym. But if you came in first place, we want you up here to get your prize. So for the females 14 and under in the 1 mile, can I have, is it Kaylani Carroll? Kaylani Carroll?
Where's she
And the
at?
males 14 and under, Logan Pittman. Logan Pittman.
Oh, we're looking for them. Where are they?
Kehlani and Logan. Come on up.
Where are they? There they are.
Do you want to go over here? Okay. Logan. Why don't you go over here?
Get you over here. Get a little
Give it
video
here
of you
for
too.
Kehlani and Logan.
Okay, here are our winners in the 1 mile run, 14 and under. Kehlani and
15
Logan.
and older. Angela Swazowski.
These are 14 and under. We got 2 more coming. Why don't you 2 wait up and we'll have the other 2 winners here. Yep. Well, I guess. Yep. I'll get you here.
And like I said, if you see the results and you came in second or third, come on over to the table in the northeast end of the...
Go ahead, get in here. Here's our 2 winners in the 14 and over age group. Okay, awesome. Can I get a couple of words with you two? What's your names?
Tyler.
Angela.
Okay, and how'd you feel about your race today? What's your time?
My time was 5:56. It was actually not bad. I was shooting for under 6, so I got it.
Good.
Pretty happy, yeah.
How'd you like running in the snow today?
It was challenging, but it was worth it, you know? It's always worth it.
And
So,
where are you from?
Roseville, right down the street.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
And what's your name?
Angela.
And where are you from?
New Baltimore.
Oh, you came a little ways. So
Yeah.
what was your time today?
8:43.
Well, you won the race. That's good.
Absolutely. I run every year with one of my former students, River, and him and I, 4th year in a row. He killed it. We did a great job. It's freezing cold out there, but we finished.
Yeah, that's right. You were here.
Yep.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Great race. Yep.
Bye.
Well, we have the race director of the 47th annual Big Bird Run, Tony. What's your last name? Lipinski. I didn't want to ruin your name.
It's okay.
So anyway, well, it was a challenging day, but you pulled it off again with early snow in Michigan, but you pulled it off.
Yeah, the first day it snows in Michigan is going to be at our event, but that's okay. You know, it just makes it for an interesting run. So
Well, you know, people still were here. They just went a little slower. They tippy-toed across that bridge.
Right. Got a little bit slippery on the bridge.
Yep. So they made sure they made it. But the mile, you had a ton of running walkers out there.
The mile and the 5K, yeah. And then, ironically, we actually had about 30 or 40 people register today. So they saw what the weather was like, and they still came out and registered.
Well, this race is a classic, man.
It is.
I mean, I did this thing when it was first started in the 80s. So it's been it'll stick around no matter what. People love this race. And you know, it's one of the most classic races in Michigan. But anyway, with next year coming up in a couple more years, the 50th annual race is coming. So I'm sure you're looking at some big plans.
We're looking at a few things. Yes, correct.
And Michelob Ultra, one of your big sponsors, been with you for years.
McCafferty Distributors, they are a great sponsor for us, donating a lot of these award prizes, as well as some sponsorship money that goes back to the nonprofit groups. Yeah.
And I always love your shirt. That is always cool with the bird on there.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for handing out turkeys and all the other cool gifts.
Yeah, where else can you win a frozen turkey just by showing up?
Well, that's true. Raffle prize a better time than when you win the race. But
that's exactly it.
But thank you for doing a great job. And like I said, you have it done like clockwork. Even with a snowy day, people still come out.
Yeah, and like I said, what we did earlier today for this year, we did want to honor the memory of Daryl McKee,
right,
who was a longtime advocate, not only for the Big Bird Run, but just for running in general. He participated in the first 39 Big Bird Run events, and it was just sorry to hear about his passing, but his family is keeping his memory alive.
Well, that was cool. His wife said he'd fly back just for the race.
Exactly. I didn't realize that, but yeah, he did.
Well, people do that. People come back to Michigan for stuff all the time. They might move away, but they never forget their Michigan roots.
Right, exactly.
So anyway, well, thank you so very much for putting on a great event. And I'll be back next year along with many others every person I interviewed said they kind of plan on coming back next year, even though it's a snowy day.
Well, we thank you very much for being here, and thanks for attending our event. We look forward to the 48th annual.
For sure, yep.